left in this decade. Yes. And we're going to enjoy it. I know you will as well. We'll see you on Primetime Sports Center. We'll see you on
That's
the
a good boy.
Merry Christmas.
The good boy spit it out.
Happy New Year and happy decade. Is it over with?
How's that taste?
Does that taste yummy?
How's it taste?
Tell everybody how it tastes.
It tastes scrumptious. Now it tastes scrumptious now that's up your nose.
Got a full belly, now it's time to go to sleep so Daddy can watch football.
You want some more? There you go. And swallow it. That's a good boy. Show the camera how you do it.
No, don't put your hand in there.
Bite my fingers.
There, make a big old mess.
Bite my fingers. Okay, move the fingers. Move the fingers. Swallow. Swallow that.
Trying to eat the spoon?
Yeah. You didn't swallow, but you put your hand in there. What's in there?
So we're supposed to still like give him a bottle and then this?
Yeah.
Or?
Well, this first, and then the bottle.
God smiles.
More? And it all rolled
Just keeps
out.
coming out of your mouth. Did you make it too soupy or?
No, you're supposed to make it real watery. And then make it thicker as he gets older and can digest. More? Move your thumb. Move your thumb.
Good thing Mom and Papa got us this camera.
Oh, squirts on Dad.
Now we can show you what you look like when you're a little baby.
Ah! Ah! More? How big is your belly? Good boy. Try not to watch football while we eat, okay?
So that's what you're supposed to do on Sundays, Mom.
Yeah!
You watch football and eat your food.
Say hi to the camera.
Is that a wave with the right hand?
Oh, you didn't swallow what you had in there.
Give him a second, it'll spit it out.
Hard to believe it's 49 degrees on December 27th. It is. I don't know if looking at those
Oh.
flags is a good enough indication as to how hard the wind is blowing down the field level here at Giant Stadium. Always a battle. Glad you're with us on Fox. Hickson will return.
You're such a mess.
Where will the Giants start?
You're such a mess.
That kickoff is well covered by Dante Wesley.
You rather eat your bib?
Downfield to make the play.
You rather eat your bib?
And here comes the offense. And while we look at the backs and receivers, the changes are up again on the offensive line, protecting Eli Manning.
I don't want to stuff you.
For the most part, had been pretty healthy. The only guy until today that had missed the start was Kareem McKenzie. Last week, Kevin
I eat like a big boy.
How's that taste on your palate?
I probably should put a waterproof bib on next time. Huh?